Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. If you're new here, my name is Liz and all I really do is play with makeup. As you can tell, I'm excited for fall. No, but for real, fall is like one of my favorite seasons. The best eyeshadow combinations are in this season. All the oranges, reds, purples, pinks, I love it all. I'm gonna go ahead and start off by prepping the skin, and I already moisturized, but I'm actually gonna go in with the Believe Beauty Hydrating Primer. And I really like this one because it's really just hydrating, pretty much. All right, and it's blue, so it's kind of cute. In the fall, I tend to get a little bit on the drier side, and we wanna still mimic that glowy skin from within look. So now that we've primed, we're gonna go ahead and go into foundation. I'm gonna do a quick mist first. I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand right here. On there. And I like this foundation because it gives you a nice, just even consistency to the skin. Then I'm gonna take a damp beauty sponge and I'm just gonna press that foundation in. And this is just really gonna soak up any of the excess so you don't end up with a cakier face. Okay, so next I'm actually gonna go with a little bit of concealer. And for this, I'm gonna be using the Covergirl TruBlend. All right, and this concealer is really brightening, so it's gonna give you that more awake appearance. And you just blend that out. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in and do a little bit of powder so we can set our face. A big component of making your makeup last is just by putting a quick little layer of powder over. It can really make a difference in your makeup lasting. So for this, you're just gonna go and just swirl it around the face. Now you only need to do this if you have like more so oily combination skin. This will just make your makeup last a lot longer. And it's a light layer, so you won't get that cakiness that you would if you were to bake. Using a big fluffy brush like this, you can disperse the product evenly and gently. So we're gonna go ahead and work on some brow. I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Tattoo Studio in the shade 382 Black Brown. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a very tiny amount, and then on the cap, as you can see mine is super dark, you're going to run your brush into your lid and kind of take that excess off. But what this is also going to do, it's going to give you this very flat, defined brush, and with this you can actually start working on your brows. And now that you see this really harsh brow, you're going to go ahead and comb it out a little bit. Just kind of disperse that color all around. For this brow is, I'm going to take a little bit of Morphe. This is the Morphe Brow highlighting stick. This is like $5. I love it. And what you're gonna do is just gonna take a little bit. It's super creamy, so you're just gonna literally just a slight bit. With a flat brush, you're gonna go ahead and go under, and you're just gonna blend that in, but still giving your brow a really defined. It's gonna last you all day. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one off camera, and we will be back with the eyes. And now that we have our brows on, I'm going to do a little bit of more setting spray. So if you use setting spray in the beginning, in the middle, and in the end, you will see more of a drastic change. You're kind of locking in the makeup that you're doing continuously, and then I'll just take this sponge and press that in. Okay, so now we're ready to move on to eyes, and what I'm going to be using is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. If I get any fallout, I can just brush it away with powder. So for eyeshadow, we're going to be using the Urban Bible eyeshadow palette. This is an eyeshadow palette from Keilidh. Keilidh Cashel, I think it's her name. I'm gonna pop a picture right here. She is so talented, and she's from Ireland, and I just really love her vibe, really love her aesthetics. Really, really talented. But anyway, she made this palette with SOSU by Suzanne Jackson around a year or two ago. It's huge, and it has literally every color we're gonna be needing today. So I'm gonna go in with this little kind of light brown shade called Savior. Okay, now that that's blended out, we're gonna go in to take a little blender brush, and I'm gonna go into Unruly. Now Unruly has to be the most intense burgundy eyeshadow I've ever used in my life. So I'm gonna start really small, and like this is literally, I just dipped it in there a couple of times, and we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do sort of a smoky burgundy eye moment, and then we're gonna blend that in with the orange. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more of that orange and really try to balance out all this purple we have. Now we're gonna go into one of the shimmers. So I am really enjoying this mid shade. It's like, it looks a little blue on camera actually, but it's a duochrome purple. It's kind of periwinkle on camera, but trust me, it's like lilac purple. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with that because that shade is also calling my name. Yeah, it's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous color. So now I am gonna go into this Sacrifice shade and make it a little bit more intense on the outer way. This Majesty shade, and I'm just gonna fluff that around the whole outside portion. This is called 1996 because that's the year she was born. Super cute. And we're just gonna go in on the inner corner like this. And that's just gonna bring a little bit of attention to the eyes, but still be kind of not outplaying the big dogs going on up here. I'm gonna wipe this off. And there you have it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other eye real quick, and we'll be right back. How did I do that? I got this, I got this, I got this, I got this. And we are back. So I have my eyelashes on, and I reviewed a new style of eyelash today. I tried some eyelashes from Amazon. So now I'm gonna go ahead and bronze. I'm gonna bronze with the E.L.F Forever Sun Kiss Bronzer. And I'm gonna put blush on with the E.L.F Always Rosy Blush. Okay, now that I have enough blush that I look sunburnt, that's the point, right? We're gonna go in with a little bit of highlight. Now today is September 1st, which is what inspired me to do a fall look, but it's also Miss Laura Lee's birthday. she is great. She has really good products too, like, and they're actually not badly priced. Like, I think this palette was $19 and like the pans are huge. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of highlight. I love the highlights that she comes out with. They just work so well for all skin tones. Also, in honor of Laura's birthday, we're gonna use the Cabana Liquid Lipstick and the Colourpop BFF3 Lippie Pencil. I haven't worn this much makeup in all of 2020. I feel like I haven't worn this much makeup in like over a year. This year has been insane. It's been crazy, but you know, we're gonna push through. I love you guys so much. And I started this as just a little passion project for me, and that's how it's gonna stay. And I just really enjoy doing this. So thank you guys for watching and enjoying and giving me great feedback and just telling me what you want to hear. All of these products are pretty decently priced, or they're at least well worth what they're priced. I hope you guys really like my makeup look. I really enjoy doing it. As always, please like, subscribe, and thank you guys so much once again, and I'll catch you on the flip. Bye.